Let this word of your enemies, and then I start taking people. You, I'm sent by God. You must leave your bad heart. They're not wanting other people to succeed. Even in your family, when there are people who are raised, something just rise up on you because you've got a bad heart. You must give an offering unto your heart. Your bad heart will never take you anywhere. People are being successful. You're saying they're getting bad spirits. Your heart is troubling you. People are successful. Someone turned the ancestor. Jealousy is troubling you. You are now even on your face because of jealousy. Jealousy of Cain. You must leave your dirtiness. You must be thankful for other people with their success, even in your family and outside. Leave the bad heart. You even have jealousy with prophets. What I am given, you can't take it. I was blessed at Shembe Nazareth. You will never do anything to me. Right now you don't have money. Your father's home is dying. Don't have a wife. You are busy looking at other people. Ask Dr. X. Jehovah blesses us. Here is money. You don't even have money for money. Dr. Power. They are carrying bad spirits. When you want money, how much ask money will give you? Stop speaking bad about others. Stop jealousy in the family. My sister, the thing of fighting with your brother, you're fighting for him, doing sins because your brother is successful. Even you guys, stop fighting with sisters. You must be thankful for them. Jealousy kills. Jealousy is not okay. Right now you're watching me. The prophets of the last day, you don't have anything. Right now, mother, I'm going to say grandmother, you're a church girl. They're jumping. Leave your church. Just come Sunday only. They're not choosing church. They choose other girls. Now you're getting old. Come and my baby. Come and ask for and leave your priest a bit. Come and see us, Dr. X. You speaking better of us. Here's money. People are thankful. They give me money. I'm here, I don't have stress. See you. You're just running after nothing. I am the election. Even though they will never succeed. We hit the devil. We hit him today. Don't forget, people. Saturday. 9 a.m. in the morning. Saturday. 9 a.m. I'll be here already. It's a service of steam. Here are the stones. The stones of the river that I fetched from the river. I put the stones inside, and then I put a material. I was told that me myself, I must do this myself. And I speak unto the material, putting these stones and blessing you. After that you enter a bath. We put water on you. You come back to me when you're done and put a material. Don't stay. Saturday at 9 a.m. the service will be here. Don't miss out. We are going to We are going to hit Goliath. Another thing. May materials come closer. I did a combo. My materials because of people crying. They are still down. Clap your hands for them. Kutulul is 200 normal price. Right now you get it at 100 rand. 200. Right now it's 100 rand. 600 normal price. Right now it's 100 rand. For men, 300 rand. 150. Now it's 150. 300 rand. For ulcers. Piles. 150. Now it's 150. This one takes out snakes in people's homes. It's 220. Now it's 100 rand. It goes like this. Vimbamoya. 300 rand. 300 rand. Right now it's 150. You also you don't drink it. You just sprinkle. Normal price 200. Now 100 rand. That's 100 rand. Strings. 50 rand. 50 rand. Normal price is 100 rand. Durban and surroundings. It's got all these materials besides a string. The combo is 650. 650. As you see all. 650. Whether you can tell, right now. Thank you. The calendar of the prophet. It's a prayer. You heard it speaking about you. It's 100 rand. 100 rand. Right now it's 50 rand. It's a prayer. Thank you. Tomorrow. Saturday. Let us meet on Saturday, 9 a.m. Bring 500 rand. You'll see me under the one-on-one consultation. When you come here, we sit down. We talk. I want confession. Everything that you've done. You don't enter the steam without asking you questions. I terminated a pregnancy. I slept with another man as a man or a woman. I did this and that. All the things that are sins, you
one-on-one,
come to me one-on-one,
500 rand,
500 rand,
nomnikelo wakho
with your offering,
ophuma kuwena enhliziyweni,
that it comes from your heart, to give life.
bese uphatha u-50 rand
Then you bring 50 rand
wekhandlela,
for a candle.
uthola lona before ungena esifuthweni,
Get the candle
ololayita
first,
ngani.
that you listen
Ebese
to.
ngiyela mina esifuthweni,
I go there
kunenhlekezo
myself,
engiyifaka mina
with the material
esifuthweni,
that I put in the
ukuthi
seed.
ngithi update ubumnyama
Let
kuvela ukhanya.
darkness leave and light come in.
Ngisebenza ngo-500 rand
I work
kuphela.
with you on
Ubona
500
ku-one-on-one,
one-on-one
awuqeda
consultation.
one-on-one,
After one-on-ones,
uyongena
you
esifuthweni,
enter the seed,
uyokusebenza esifuthweni,
work with the
awuqeda
seed.
isifutho,
After the seed,
uyagezwa,
you
uqeda
cleanse.
ukugezwa,
After being
uyabuya
cleansed,
kimi back,
come back to
kodwa
me.
ukhuluma yonke
You
into.
speak everything.
Ngahlala ndoda umuntu,
I slept with somebody's husband.
ngahlisa indoda ngomuthi,
I gave a man hurt.
ngenza ukuthi nokuthi.
I did this and that.
Ngiyabonga inkosi inkosi
Thank
nonke.
you. God bless you all.
Socela-ke abathatha iminikelo yamarent
The offering of on the
3
third,
and 4
fourth,
and 5.
and fifth
So bafuthi nenkonzo
will have a